Perhaps the first thing that comes to mind when you think of virtual reality is gaming. Isn't that correct? However, there is a plethora of exciting content to discover with Oculus Quest 2, some of which you were unaware of. But in today's video, you'll discover 5 things you must try in 2022. Let's set the ball rolling. Number 5. Watch your favorite TV shows and movies. If you enjoy visual content and like to get away from routine work to have some fun and relax without being interrupted, get your hands on the Oculus Quest 2 for a breathtaking experience. The Oculus Quest 2 VR system includes an interface that allows you to watch movies and TV shows from any of the major streaming platforms, including Netflix, Amazon Prime, Apple TV, and Hulu. In the presence of the new virtual reality, there is never a dull moment. Enjoy what the screens have to offer as 2022 brings you great television programs. There's a lot more to come as we find our way around the 5 things you must try in 2022 with the Oculus Quest 2. While watching your favorite TV show and movie may sound fun, number 1 is sure to thrill you, especially if you're a game fanatic. Number 4. Attend live events with the all-new Oculus Quest 2. Listen up. Attending events has never been easier, especially during these times where in-person events are restricted. Remember when you had to sit impatiently in your car waiting for traffic to pass? Or remember when you had to join a long line just to attend your favorite sporting event? With the all-new Oculus Quest 2 VR, you can now attend your favorite event in real time. Therefore, never miss out on sports or even your beloved comedy show. Oculus launched Oculus Venues in 2018, and it's been fantastic since then. Having people gather at their leisure to watch shows has been terrific. Number 3. Work out with the Oculus Quest 2. Not to say you're a slacker, but going to the gym every day can get tiresome. However, you must stay fit and live a healthy lifestyle. Let us strike a balance with Oculus Quest 2 virtual reality system. Get your hands on the virtual reality system and start working out at home. In addition, the Quest 2 assists you in setting fitness goals and tracking how many calories you burn. Simply locate the best app for your fitness goals, and that is it, you're good to go. While Oculus Quest 2 promises you amazing things to uncover, we, on the other hand, promise you lots of exciting technology videos. Kindly subscribe to our channel with notifications so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads, and like today's video for more exciting content on technology. Number 2. With Oculus Quest 2, you can explore the universe. You don't have to be an astronaut to visit space. In fact, with the advent of virtual reality, there's no place you can't go. On your couch, you can travel the world, go on adventures, see the moon, and tour any part of the planet. Yes, that is the power of virtual reality. With a large collection of cosmic experiences, the Oculus Quest 2 allows you to explore the universe of probabilities without ever leaving your house. Do you now know what you're going to do with your Oculus Quest 2? If no, try number 1. Number 1. Play your favorite VR games. To best kill time and have an incredible experience, the Oculus Quest is your best escape. The VR platform provides you with a plenitude of breathtaking gaming options to choose from. Boost your brain's connectivity by playing your favorite games on this enhanced VR platform for between $10 and $40. Definitely worth your money. Think of games like Beat Saber, Resident Evil 4, The Walking Dead, Saints and Sinners, or any of your favorite games. If you are unwilling to pay, don't worry. Oculus Quest 2 includes a few free option games for you to choose from. With Oculus Quest 2, enter a virtual world filled with hundreds of downloadable games, videos, apps, and family-friendly entertainment, so you never get bored. The all-new Oculus Quest 2, now known as the Meta Quest 2 since Facebook switched to Meta, is a much build-up on the previous Oculus Quest with a much better experience. The Oculus Quest 2 isn't just new, it's also the most advanced VR system available, with hundreds of awesome things to try. The year is still young, and there's no time for boredom, so grab an Oculus Quest 2 and try these 5 amazing things. While at it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Stick around to watch our next video on Top 5 Best Oculus Quest 2 Games for 2022. Thank you for watching today's video, and see you in our next.